All right, November 24th, 2025. I am gonna start doing 2022 alongside 2023. I'm doing January 4th through 7th for this one, and I also figured I might as well do trade recaps for days that I don't take a setup. So I'm gonna keep this like 2 minutes long. I'm gonna take it 2 minutes long, nothing too long. So for my bias, the night prior, it's like going in tomorrow, I want to see either buy side or sell side manipulated first before taking anything. If buy side swipe, I want to see price move lower and fill the entirety of NWOG. If sell side swipe, I want to see NWOG filled and potentially get a setup higher. So I had these levels marked out. I want to see either highs get taken overnight or lows get taken overnight. As you can see here in London session, we took out this high here and this low down here. And ES also completely filled NWOG. So at that point in time, I was pretty bullish. I was honestly expecting I want to see this whole range get filled. It's like just a huge unfilled range here. So honestly was expecting a not this much of an expansion, but at least higher, like up to 0.62 level of OT. But but yeah, didn't really get any setups. At open, I wanted to see price open lower into these balances down here, the hourly and the 15-minute, but we just expanded higher. Pull back into a 5 minute, looking for a long here, couldn't get anything. We had this 1 minute for value gap, did it inverse that. We take this buy side, and then we just move sideways for the rest of the session. But but yeah, that's pretty much it for this day, for today. So, all right, I'm gonna get right into the back testing. So we have Tuesday, January 4th, 10 a.m. news. Got buy side here. It's 4 hour for value gap down here. It's hourly here. Also have this hourly here. Alright, we'll see what price wants to do. Alright, tapping this 4 hour. We also have SMT at the highs. SMT right there. Wait a little bit. See if we can get into this hourly down here. Which looks like we can, or we already did. See how price reacts off of this level. Alright, we got some bearish price action. Some bearishness here, so we could potentially go to the sell side. Got these equal lows right here as well. Alright, we open up a 5 minute for value gap. See if we can get a continuation for shorts. Alright, we take sell side here. Not within the gap or anything here. Still looking for price to continue bearishness. Still have the sell side down here. Some shitty R&R. Did get this inversion. Draw is lower for me. This TP is not ideal. No gaps. Coming off this premium 5-minute. Barely missed that 15-minute. We did get SMT there. It's too close to break even, really. I'm gonna skip out on this one. Yeah, there it goes. It ran all the way down. See if we can get a potentially a mech here. Nope, just bearishness. Honestly, not a horrible setup. Just feel like we could at least tap that 15-minute, and the closure could have been a little bit better. Break even would have been right here. Should have been right there. Yeah. Wasn't the most confident. I mean, the draw was nice. The draw was nice. Let's see, it's 10:45. Probably not gonna get anything for the rest of the session. Alright. Our next day. Alright, we sweep this 4-hour here. Also got SMT here. Got this 4-hour up here. Manipulate the lows. This will be a pretty discretionary setup. Going for this high right here. Stop is going to be a little tighter. So we do have this order block here, and then we get this 5-minute inversion. Break even. It's going to be... It's the only problem, we have SMT right here already. But we also have SMT at this low here. And it's a 4-hour intermediate term low. Swept within a hourly gap. Right here. Pretty nice rejection that we're getting. So I do think we could rebalance it to at least this 4-hour. But get to these highs right here. So we'll see. We'll play this on the 1-minute. Alright, that would be break even right there. Got hit break even. Break even was right here. See if we have any lower draws. This internal low right here. No gaps. Still holding this hourly. We got SMT here. Just a little bit of weird leg. We got SMT at the highs and we got SMT at the lows. But we did get this displacement leg down. We also have SMT with this high right here. So if we could get a pullback into this 5-minute for value, yep. I'll consider taking a long. A short, I mean. To these sell side levels. It's already late into the session. It's 10:57. Bro, if this wasn't so late into the session, I'd probably take this. But I'm gonna go ahead and fade it just because we're late into the session. Would be break even there. So this is break even. Let's see if it hits break even. Damn, you would have gotten tap break even. Then TP gets hit. Yeah, that would have been a crazy hold. See it chops around after New York AM. Just typical, pretty typical. But I mean, pretty clear that sell side would be the target. It's just a weird, weird, weird price action. Right? We got SMT at the low, we got SMT at the high, but price is just pointing lower for me, especially with that confirmation after respecting that 5-minute fair value. Yep. But go next day. There's no trades so far. Our one break even trade. We're on Thursday now. Oh, for the sell side here. It's 4-hour gap. We got sell side. Alright. Just play price here. I want to see either side manipulated before I take a trade. So it could be potentially London high. Actually, we don't have to go to London high. Actually, it would be pretty fire if we could get London high. Let's see. That'd be a 1-minute inverse. Super early entry. Super early. break even here. Still have all these sell side targets. I'm gonna try this one out. This will be 1R for the 5-minute. Stop rated there. I'd say it's a solid setup. It's pretty solid. It's a good setup. It was a good setup. I like it. Good loss. I want to see if price can open up a 5-minute. Alright, we get a 5-minute here. Hopefully we can get a pullback into this. Get some shorts. That's what I initially wanted. So no pullback. Get a 1-minute inversion. Taking out this sell side here. Do we have any gaps? We do not. No 4-hour. No 5-minute. Damn. Yeah. I mean, this would have been the mech long break even at the 5-minute for value gap, which is what I did want, but we weren't coming off of anything. We're just simply sweeping out sell side and ES create relative equal lows too. Alright, no setups for this day. One loss, break even. Pretty unlucky. I mean, one loss. Yeah, one loss and one break even for this week. Jeez. I mean, the draw was just super clear. But that was pretty good reaction, pretty good entry. Really clean inversion. I liked it. So, yeah, the next day. Alright, we're still within this tight range, which I don't like. Did not mean to play a 15-minute candle there. Potentially could have missed this a setup here for 930 Judas. But we'll see. See, we had a 930 here, 930 came down. Have an inversion. Did have a 3-minute. That closes pretty bad, so I probably wouldn't take this. Got 8:30 news there, so I want to wait for a 5-minute to open up. So you get right here. Take out this buy side level though. The draw's still higher for me. Dude, I did not mean to play a 5-minute candle again. Play 1 minute. Nothing. Pure dump. Yeah, this happens is 5 minute, but there's no entry. There's really nothing. We just move sideways from here. Damn. Go ahead and do one more week. Pretty short recording. Monday, January 10th to January 14th. See, we had what? No news today, no news. Alright. Sell side here. That's hourly for value gap, so I am leaning bearish. Hourly there, we have 15 minute here. Alright. No inverse. It's 943. Okay. Bro. Could have at least gotten a sweep or SMT or something, but we didn't. Price is super bearish. I'd rate this setup honestly like a B. Super tiny 2 minute, which we did get. I can't take it. Can't. We missed this high. Still got that super clean inversion. We just didn't get a SMT, bro. We completely missed the internal high. Alright. Hitting this 4 hour here. Ooh. It's a pretty good close. I like that. Solid setup. Ooh, that's pretty solid. It's tough, bro. A tough market. Getting cooked. I didn't even refine my key level. Hold on. Just went straight from 4 hour. That 1 hour there. Should have refined it before I took it. 1 hour there. Had a also 15-minute. Honestly, not a horrible setup either. I'd say it was not too early of a trade. Actually, it was a little bit early, I'm not gonna lie. It was a little early. It was a little early. No SMT either. Or even if there was SMT, I'm not even gonna check. If there was SMT, it would have been pretty uh far apart. All right. Tap this 15-minute. Sketchy ass 1-minute inversion. Hell no. 15-minute right here. Let's see condition open up for higher prices for London. TP hit. It was a 15-minute for value gap right here. A lot of things against us, to be honest with you, but my break even was this high right here. Stop. First of all, entry was a 4-minute inversion. Yeah, right here. Super tiny. Didn't even check if it was there. Got a 4-minute right here. Super small. 3-minute was much bigger. We had this inversion here. My stop was at the body right here, which is also at the 2-minute order block, which I was expecting to, or wanted to see hold. If price was going to be bullish, shouldn't disrespect that order block. If we do, we're going to end up going lower. Let's move down, give us an SMT, and then we pump higher towards the 15-minute, targeting a 1-to-1. So 10:02. Honestly, let's see how price reacts off of this. Get a resweep. If this inversion was better, I'd actually consider taking the setup. But 5-minute open up. Alright. That's one setup for this day. Let's go to next day. Alright, we're within this 4 hour. Also within this hourly. Got all this low resistance right here. We also have this intermediate term high. Bullish, clearly bullish. We have this large gap to the left of us. 15-minute unfilled fair value gap. And you have this 15-minute down here. We'll see price come down into this. I want to see how it react. Okay, we sweep this low. Do we have tap into a 5-minute? It's a 5-minute intermediate term low. We have this 5-minute right here. We have a SMT. Do have an SMT. So we got SMT here. Then the 15-minute fair value gap. We get do we get an inversion? We get a 1-minute inversion. So I'm gonna take a stab at this. Stop's gonna be at the low. Break even here. I'm not gonna set a break even. I'm just gonna replay it, commentate it if I get hit break even. Don't really want to type the numbers. Why is it doing that, bro? Oh, it's not even 9:30. It's 9:22. What the hell? It's 9:30, bro. It's pretty stupid. SMT ends up holding. We get another SMT, and then we get this 1-minute version where we take out the high. Buy side is a draw, and then we just continue higher. We come lower. Come lower. Hold that 15-minute. Don't have a 5-minute here. Within this 30-minute. Pretty long wick down. We have this 15-minute unfilled gap. No 5-minute. No 4-minute. No 3-minute. It would just be a 2-minute. Stop loss would be pretty wide. 1R would be right here. Alright, you know, I'll just take it. I'll take it. Break even there. Since we have SMT at the high. We got hit break even. And then TP gets smashed. Oh, no, it didn't. Almost 1R. Almost hit 1R. Honestly, realistically, I'd probably take out at that 15-minute fair value gap. You're only missing 0.07 R if you were to take that out. Like, barely negative R. Unlucky. Break even damn near immediately. Yeah, the SMT at this high, that's why. That's why I went break even. 1036. Yeah. 40. 11. All right. Next day. Bullish. Bullish to where? These highs. Leaning bullish at least. Yeah, I'm bullish. Couple 15 minutes here. It's 15 minute for value up. So if we could get a pullback into that, pretty fire. And we get a pullback there. Barely get this 1 minute inversion. These legs are just, I don't like these trading legs. We take out buy side, come down, take out sell side. You know what I mean? We just got high resistance liquidity. See if we got any clear draws. Yeah, we take out this high too. Makes it a little bit difficult. I'd personally want to see a 5 minute fair value gap open up. Okay, resweep these lows, get inversion higher. It's the only thing I'm looking for. It's the only thing that would make me get in a trade. I think we're a little too far gone now. Alright, flipping bearish here, targeting these sell side levels down here. We got low resistance liquidity. Want it to come up and then get an inversion. Nice, nice. I really like that. Slapping this here, stop here, going for 1R. No stop loss. It looks really clean. Please, no. There we go. Okay. Thought I was about to edge my 1R. No stop loss. Looks way too clean. Kind of lazy to put a stop loss. We got an SMT here. So you probably go break even as soon as you take out the sell side level. Entry here. Stop the high. We tap into a 15 minute for a value gap. 15 minute for value gap. Take out these internal highs here. Get a 1 minute inversion. Super clean inversion. Pretty textbook. Pretty textbook. First clean trade in like however many weeks I've back tested. Within like 4 or 5 weeks. No, like 3 months of 2023. Like 2 weeks of 2018. And then second week of January 2022. And finally got something that actually looks worth taking. Looks clean. Alright. That's probably all for this day. Yeah, straight dump. Next day. We got Friday. Come on, give me something good so I could get positive. Get positive backtesting session. Come on, give me a Judas. Okay, we tap in this 15 minute. I want to see this. Okay, this 5 minutes is still getting respected. Okay, okay, there's potential here. Got SMT here. SMT right there. We got some pretty good sell side levels. Coming off a higher time frame. Okay, we're coming off the hourly. Pretty bearish still. Pretty bearish. 3 minute here. Oh, never mind. We're gonna continue going higher. Okay, we're going for these highs here. If we can create a 5 minute for value gap. Alright, we create a 5 minute for value gap here. Come on. I'm gonna full port my account on this one. Please. Please. No. No. 30-second. Oh. 30-second inversion. Oh, I like this. I like this. I'm gonna full port this one. Hold on. Do it. Coming off a gap. Please. Okay. Hourly intermediate term high. We have 5 minute. Okay. 5 minute right here. Yeah, fuck with it. What else do we have? We got this 15 minute. 9:30. 9:45. Alright, bet. I bet. I'm gonna do 3% risk. Give me my money back. Give me my money back. No! No! No. Alright. Done messing around. Realistically. Would have got in break even there. Is this a setup I would take? Yes. This is a setup I would take. I do like it. It's pretty solid. Get a clean 30-second inversion. Break even would 100% be at the 1 minute for value gap. And it's 2 minutes too. It's 2 minutes. So it would actually be at the 2 minute for value gap. Yeah, it would be at the 2 minute for value gap. Break even will be right here. And absolutely railed. And PC crashed. Not last, like, I don't know, last few minutes. Or the last clip. You'll see a cut. Whatever. I'm just gonna add this last clip, but nothing, literally nothing happened. No inversion, nothing. We had this 4 minute right here, but it was just straight chop. Straight sideways move to get that 4 minute inversion. And as soon as we inverse, we take out the internal high. So didn't take anything here. Damn, what the hell. Didn't take anything here. Pretty much ending this whole week break even. 50% win rate. Break even. One loss Thursday, one loss Monday, and then 2 here. I need to keep my drawings on here so I can really analyze. I'll just go back. I'll just watch my video over again and see if I could have just not taken those trades. But I'm pretty sure those trades were pretty solid too. But yeah, that's all for me for this backtesting session. Catch you guys.